Happy birthday! Paano yung Jovens? Happy birthday, Tito. Happy birthday.
Hi, Pa.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay. I count myself lucky enough
I count myself.
no, na nagkaroon ako ng isang genuine na kaibigan na kagaya mo.
Yummy.
I personally admire your being a kind brother, son, and husband to Rachel. Maraming salamat sa maraming taon na masayang pinagsamahan natin. And you still find your way even now na tumawag, makipag-chat, para kumustahin lang kami mga kaibigan mo. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday ulit. And sana, the only wish, magkaroon ka na sana ng ganito kakulit. Kasi I know you'll be a very good father, responsible father. At magiging isa ka pang mabuting asawa ni Rachel. Maraming salamat ulit kaibigan at happy birthday. Kampay!